Hello friends, welcome to my channel. This is Raj. Today I'm going to show you how to import a video or photo from your iPhone or iPad to your Mac computer. First, you connect your device to the computer and then go to Finder. Click on the application and open the image capture, and here you select the device that is been connected. In my case, that is my iPad, so I've selected the iPad. Here you will see all the videos and images you have in your device. From here you can select the file that you want to copy to the computer. Let's say I want to copy this video. Here you have an option. If you click this button, it will delete the file from your device once it's copied to the computer. But if you still want to keep it, then just leave that blank. Once you selected the file, select the location where you want to save. I'm going to save it on my desktop, so I'll select desktop, and once everything is ready, click the import button, and that's going to import and save it on your computer. Okay guys, that's it. That's how you import a file from your phone to the computer. It's very simple, but sometimes you have to know where to go and get things out. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, don't forget to click the like button and consider subscribe to my channel for more useful videos like this.